OSPF configuration. So OSPF configuration. Before that, I got a machine where I have some configuration. I want to erase it. I want to make it a new machine. Yes. Go to the particular router, enable. I'm going to use erase startup configuration. You want to confirm it? Yes. Then use the word which is called as reload. That's it. Once you erase startup configuration and reload, you will see all the configuration is removed. Clear? So you go to your EN, then try to proceed. Clear, guys? Okay, let me configure your OSPF. As I told you, OSPF use what? Area. So let me go with the syntax, or before that let me configure the interfaces. So what is the IP I'm going to assign between two routers? 168, 1.1 and 1.2, then 192.168.2.1 connected to 2.2. So this is what I'm going to configure in the interfaces. So first is, yes, enable, configuring your terminal. What I'm going to use? Host name is, give me some name. It is CIS2. I'm going to use A. Then interface FA 0 by 1 by 0. Perfect. Then IP address is 21.001.255.0.0.0. No, shut, exit. Then interface SE 2 by 0. IP address is going to be 192.168. Subnet mask is, then no, shut, then I'm going to use exit. Now I'm going to configure OSPF. So let me configure the router OSPF in the router. So first I will copy this. Let me go to this router. No, enable, then I'm going to paste. So it is pasted. Let me configure the router OSPF. So the command is router question mark. It will tell you which routing protocol you are going to configure. So I'm going to go with OSPF. After that, let me put question mark and it says we have something called in EIGRP. It is autonomous system number, which should be same. In OSPF, process ID can be same and can be different. So I'm going to use any number. Clear? Now what is the syntax? Network physically connected. Which are the network connected to this router? 21 and 192.168 1.0. Correct? So 21.0.0.0 followed by, we have to give something called wildcard. Wildcard exactly the reverse of your subnet mask. Whatever the subnet mask, we are going to subtract with 255, 255, 255, 255. You will get it 0.255.255.255. Clear? Now it is not completed. It says give me the word area. So OSPF work with what? Area concept. Same area will communicate, different area will not communicate with each other. Clear? Yes. In EIGRP, what should be same? Autonomous system number should be same, but in OSPF, what should be same? Area should be same. Same area will communicate, different area will not communicate with each other. Clear? Okay, so I'm going to give something called 0. Okay, why 0? Let me go back and put question mark. Can you see what I can have? I can have the area decimal starting from in between these numbers. Clear? Clear? And why 0? Because area 0 is called as backbone area. Okay, we'll see that later on. So what is the next? Which network are available? Physically connected is 192.168 1.0. What is the wildcard? By default it is class C. So subnet mask will be 255, 255, 255, 0. So what is your wildcard?
0.000.
Clear? And which area it belongs to? Area 0. Clear?
We should write area word then.
Yes, area followed by value. Clear? So I'm going to do the same over here. So what it is? OSPF followed by what is the process ID? I'm going to give any number. I'm going to give 1, 2, 3. Then network physically connected are 21000 followed by what is your wildcard? 0.255.255.255 followed by the word area 0. Then network, which is network 192.168 1.0 followed by 0.0.0.255 area 0. Yes. For this we are going to make with single area. But in your production, you won't be having only one area, you will have different areas.
This network should be.
Yes. Yes. Oh, I will explain in the architecture now. So what is the configuration for next router? 0 by. So this is for router 2. So 0 by 0, what is IP? It is going to be 22.0.1. Do I have SE2? Yes. What is the IP of SE2?
192.168.
It is going to be 2.1. So do I have any other interface? Yes. Interface SE 3 by 0. So what is the IP address of 3 by 0? 192.168.1.2. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Then no, shut, then exit. Now which are the network physically connected to this? I can have any number. So I got 22. Then 1 is also there. Then network physically connected is 192.168.2.0 followed by 0.0.0.255 area 0. Clear? Clear, guys? Now let me configure for router 3. It is for router 3. It is going to be C. What is your FA0, FA1 by 0? Do I have? Yes. It is going to be 23.0.0.1. And do I have SE2? No, I have SE3. What is the IP of SE3? It is going to be 2.2. Clear? So which are the network physically connected to this network? 21 is there? No, I have 23. And I have 1.0? No, it is 192.168.2.0. Clear? Now let me configure, copy and apply on the second router. So initial configuration no, enable, paste, it is done, saved. So I'm going to take this third, which is going to be copy, third router, no, enable, paste, done. Let me verify it is working. So I'm going to use ping this router interface, which is 21.0.0.1. Now what happens? As I told you, if you are using exclamation, then it is successful. If you are getting period, then it is a failure. Can you see it was a failure? Why? As soon as I configured it, I just tried to ping it. I need some time, which is called as convergence time. I need some time to share the table. Same area will share some table, isn't it? I need some time. Clear? To establish the neighbor table and also establish the topology table. Clear? Can you see over here the adjacent to my router has the same process ID with the same. Now once it is established, can you see I have one packet successful? If I use once again, it will be 100% successful. Clear? Initially it was taking time to get the table information, to share your table. which are among the same area. Clear, guys?
Yes.
So if you want to see the routing table, what is the command? Show IP. Oh, sorry.
So
It is show IP route. It will show you the routing table available. Same. O for OSPF configuration. You configure with what? OSPF. And show IP route is the command used to find the routing table available. Clear? Now it says if you want to reach 23 network, where's the 23 network? I'm in which router now? Okay, I'm in first. Let me go to yes. If I want to go to 21 network, if I want to go to 21 network, it says you can reach 21 via getting inside this hop. What is the IP address? 2.1.
yes.
192.168.2.1, and if you want to go to 2.1, you have to go via SE3 of your interface. Clear? Clear? Everyone? Everyone, guys?
Yes.
Now again I can see show IP OSPF. Let's put question mark. I can see something called database. Can you see these are the database available which are available onto my machine? And we have one more thing to see your neighbor. So show me your neighbors. Who are the neighbors to me? My neighbor is only 2.1.
Yes.
2.1 is my neighbor. That's it. 2.1 is the neighbor for this. Clear? And the state. So we have some stages available in your OSPF. Clear? X start, start, full. We have DR, BR, DBR. Okay, guys, clear? Okay, let me paste this information over here. So for third router, and this is for second router, and this is for first router. OSPF configuration with 3 routers on same area, area 0. Clear? So I'm going to say it is everything is